Hi guys, I'm Ern from Learn from Ern, and I'm gonna ask you, who is the mayor of Quezon City? Joy Belmonte. As you may know, she has given us food supplies in 2020, and now she gave something else. Hygiene Kit! What's this I see? Vitamins, a face shield, toothpaste, a sanitizer, a toothbrush, tissues, soap, and masks. Do you know why Mayor gave these? Because of COVID-19. So, the toothbrush and toothpaste are very important for our teeth. So, brushing is one of the ways to clean yourself. You need to clean inside and outside. We're protected from saliva. So, if someone is coughing, we are protected. Vitamins makes our immunity stronger. Soap, this is one of the best ways to clean ourselves because germical soaps can prevent germs for taking over our body. If we have cough or even some other disease, use germical soap. And by the way, you need to get one of these toothbrushes. They're so soft. The bristle is soft, which is very good for the gum. Tissues. If you're gonna sneeze or cough, use a tissue. Why use tissues when you have colds? Because if we sneeze or cough, there's many germs that are coming out. Unlike if you're using a handkerchief and a cloth, the germs are still there when you use it. So it's safe to use a tissue. A hand sanitizer. This kind of looks like a marker. I have another one. It came with the school supplies in 2020. I still can't finish the hand sanitizer because it smells funny and it makes the hand blue because it's blue. Face masks. I don't know what kind of face mask this is. Is it the one that doctors use? Because I see here that it's the one that doctors use. That's about it. Thank you, Mayor Joy Belmonte. Shout out to you. I love the things that you give us. Stay safe, guys, everyone. We'll use one of the things that Mayor Joy Belmonte gave to us in the Hygiene Kit. It is the germicidal soap. I'll show you how to wash your hands properly. Especially now in the pandemic. We're still not done with the pandemic. Especially with the new virus. First one, we need to wet our hands. We need to rub our palms together. Second one, we need to interlock our fingers. For those who don't know, interlock fingers, it's rubbing the fingers in between. Step 3, fingers and hands. Step 4, fingers and both hands. Step 5, circular manner. Step 6, index fingers and thumbs. Step 7. Rotating manner. Rotating my wrist manner. Okay, that's the 7 steps. Let's wash our hands. Step 8. Dry your hands. Those are the 8 steps on washing your hands. I hope you liked this video and learned something today. Oops! If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You may also click the notification bell for you to get notified for more videos like this. Love you guys! So once again, this is Earn from Learn from Earn. See you next time, guys!